If you need to jump straight to a specific page in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the fastest way to go to any page number, whether you're using the keyboard shortcut or the built-in go-to feature. This is a simple trick, but it can save you a ton of time when you're working on long documents, reports, essays, or manuals. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Word document. Make sure the file is already loaded and that you can see the page you're currently on. If your document is long, scrolling manually can take forever, especially if you need to get to page 20, page 50, or even farther. That's why Word gives you a much faster way to move around. The fastest method is to use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. This opens the go-to window instantly. You can also use F5, which does the same thing in many versions of Microsoft Word. Once the go-to box appears, click into the page number to fill if your cursor isn't already there. Then type the page number you want to jump to. After that, press Enter. Word will take you directly to that page. If you prefer using the menus instead of a keyboard shortcut, there's another easy way. Go to the Home tab at the top of Word. On the right side of the ribbon, click the arrow next to Find. From the drop-down menu, select Go To. This opens the same navigation box. Again, type the page number you want, then press Enter, and Word will move you right there. This is especially useful when you're editing a document and need to check something on a specific page without wasting time scrolling. It's also great for teachers, students, office workers, and anyone who handles large Word files on a regular basis. Instead of guessing where a page is, you can jump there in seconds. One quick tip: if you're working in a document with section breaks, headers, or lots of formatting, the page number you type should match the page you want in the current document view. If you don't land exactly where you expected, just repeat the process and make sure you entered the correct page number. And that's it. Now you know how to jump to a particular page number in Microsoft Word using both the Ctrl+G shortcut and the Go To option from the Home tab. It's fast, simple, and one of those little word skills that makes a big difference in your workflow. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.